According to psychology, 2 effective ways to fight depression are exercising and spending time with pets. Never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you, because one-sided expectations can mentally destroy you. For a man's mental health, a 5-minute conversation with a beautiful girl is more beneficial than 2 hours of yoga. If you want to know where your heart is, look where your mind goes when it wanders. Psychologically, damaged people tend to be the strongest because they know they can survive anything. Pain strengthens the mind. Eating a freshly baked chocolate chip cookie while depressed can instantly improve your mood and fight the physical effects of depression. When someone appears in your dreams, it means that that person is missing you. You appear more attractive to the other person when you make them smile or laugh. Overthinking causes the human mind to create negative scenarios and replay painful memories. The way we talk to our children will become their inner voice. A man always remembers the woman who has captivated the man's mind. Not being able to forgive someone causes resentment, which leads to bitterness, causing a person to always keep depressed and fatigued.